how to make money with PayPal. Guys, I have to make this video because I know a lot of you guys are just searching around from YouTube video to YouTube video trying to find out how to make money with PayPal, free ways to make money with PayPal. Guys, I've been making money with PayPal for nine years. Just like you see here, money coming in on a daily basis. This is what I do. Okay, let me click here and show you. You can see 1,424 just pages and pages and pages and pages and pages of this money, guys, coming in from PayPal. Now, guys, if you want to learn how to make money online, I always provide a course. The course is always here on my channel. Go ahead and click the link below this video. Get involved with the course right now. Don't delay. A lot of you guys are looking for free ways where you don't have to pay anything. Get something for free and have a way that's going to make you money every single day like this. There's no way. You always have to pay for mentorship, education, information when it comes to making money, okay, online. It may be different in other areas, but when it comes to making money online, everyone's going to ask you for something, okay? That's just the way it is. Even your time. You pay with your time, okay? So it's my advice. Take my advice for what it's worth. Slow down on the researching and go ahead and buy a course that's going to teach you, because that course is put out there to charge you because they have value behind those websites. Okay, so when you get to the website, click the link below. When you get to the website, you got to realize there's value behind the website. That's the reason they feel that they need to charge, because they don't want to just give it away because it works and makes people money. So they want to charge you for it because they feel like you should at least pay if they're going to show you how to make money online. Okay? So that's all I can tell you. Click the link below, guys. Mike Huntington Pro, 9-year online marketer. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned. I'm out.